Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and it's Thanksgiving week. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I think Thanksgiving is in 3 or 4 days. This unit comes from Mike in Plummer, Idaho, and it's obviously an aftermarket unit. The brand name says CTI. Underneath that it says CarTape. I'll assume that CTI might mean CarTape International. Okay, we'll take a quick look at a couple things here. This one has that cool front panel head adjustment. Very handy to have. If you're playing tapes that are out of alignment, you can just adjust this and put that head back in alignment. You generally adjust this for the loudest volume. That'll be the best alignment in most cases. We've got the switch up here, auto stop, continuous replay. I would just leave this on continuous. That's normal 8-track operation. Auto stop, it's going to probably stop at the end of track 4, maybe each track. I don't recommend doing that. Replay, it's just going to play the same program over and over. So I would just leave this in the continuous position. Over here, I would not move this switch either, because this switch is fast forward switch. I don't recommend ever using fast forward with an 8-track tape, because it's most likely going to cause your tapes to jam eventually. So I would leave these two switches in the center position and never touch them. And this has drifted a little bit out of calibration, so I went ahead and re-centered that adjustment. So let's go ahead and pop in. Of course, we've got volume, balance, and tone. So let's pop in some Neil Sedaka here.
She's looking for a love she's never
Alright, we'll make sure we got both speakers. Okay. Balance left. Balance right. Okay, don't need that stuff anymore. Okay, we're going to change tracks. Okay, we're at a blank spot. We'll come back to that. Okay, that's the program that was blank before. Okay, make sure we get both speakers when we smack it around. Okay, yeah, that was one of the customer complaints, is that it would cut out and you'd smack it and come back. So we've confirmed that that problem's fixed. Okay, let's try the automatic track change. When this unit came in, the automatic track change sensor had been flattened out to where it was not even penetrating into the cartridge. That could have been, this unit was actually worked on by a previous shop who said the automatic track change, they were not able to fix it. I don't know if they bent that thing back thinking that would fix it or whatever, but at any rate, I just rebent it to how it's supposed to be, and it works fine. So let's go ahead and confirm that. This is mainly just a track change tape. This tape will basically automatically change tracks every 10 seconds. It may have some noise on it too, buzzes and hums, test tones, but we're mainly just making sure that this is going to let the machine automatically change tracks. We're looking at this indicator right here. Make sure it's going to switch. And there we go. And there you have it. So that takes care of that problem. So she's all working, and I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service at 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Mike, for your business all the way from Plummer, Idaho, and we'll see you guys next time.